Better na, naka-recover na sana, kaso pauwi na ako, so babalik na naman.
Sir?
Yes, ma'am. My birthday wish ba si PRD sa inyo?
Oh yes, noong May 30,
Yung birthday.
nagkausap kami noon at meron siyang birthday wish pero I'd rather keep it private, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Last po. The Senate seems to be in conflict as to when they tackle the impeachment. If 19th Congress can carry it over to 20th or no, any comments po?
Well, yan ma'am, kina-question din namin yan. Yung pag-crossover from the 19th to the 20th Congress dahil ang composition ng House of yung lawyers ko na lang magsalita, ma'am, kasi papagalitan na naman ako nila.
BP, mayroon pa.
Papagalitan na naman ako noon, ma'am, ng mga lawyers ko. So, tanong natin yung lawyers.
Yes, BP. Ano ba? BP, ang OBP at KOJC at ang pamilya Duterte ay nakaranas po ng injustices mula sa bagong PNP chief. So in this connection, ma'am, ano po ang inaasahan ninyong magiging sitwasyon sa Pilipinas sa ilalim ng bagong liderato ng PNP?
Well, I do not think magiging mas maayos or mas maganda ang ating bansa, no? Unang-una, doon na lang tayo, no, sa pagpili ng Speaker of the House of Representatives. Na noon ko pang sinabi na bakit ka naman pipili ng Speaker of the House of Representatives na implicated in a bribery case on record in a case in the United States. So, yung palang kaduda-duda na eh, 'di ba? Parang pag alam mo kaagad na ganun, hindi mo susuportahan yan as Speaker of the House of Representatives. In the same way na merong recent findings ang Senate o violations of law of this police officer. So, bakit mo naman gagawing chief of police? So, masyadong sketchy yung decision.
Okay, talagang kailangan ng lumipad si VP, ha?
Alright,
So,
thank you.
unfortunately,
Thank
wala
you.
tayong